Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras, for your career situation and relationship, guys. We'll be picking cards from this deck. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies, Libras. We have Five of Cups, King of Pentacles and Two of Swords. So Libras, with these cards in your situation, guys, you are someone who is really skilled and talented. You have a particular way of handling your situation. You have your ideals and beliefs and you stand by those, and you are someone in a very good position in life. So you have a lot of experience and clarity, and maybe you are a team manager or CEO, someone with an important position with lot of power and authority. So you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders and burdens on your shoulders, guys, Libras. And today you are making some important decision. Maybe something needs to be done. You need to make a choice. You cannot go on this way, guys. Go on this way in your life. So it may be a situation in your relationship based on the past experience or whatever you have seen in your life. You are you feel really stressed or sad. Something is worrying you, bothering you. You don't know what you need to do, guys. So based on your past, something is influencing your thought pattern or your decisions, but your heart tells you otherwise. So your experience and your heartfelt feelings are something opposite to each other, and you are held up. You don't know which way to go. Think with your head or with your heart. So some kind of confusion or doubts, but you want to make a truthful choice. So you cannot give up the truth you are seeing in your life today. Maybe because of the past experience you are worried to make this choice, but it is an honest choice, something based on the truth of your heart. You cannot give up truth. So you are in a lot of confusion. And also, guys, Libras, you are simply thinking over the past, brooding over the past, but you are not seeing what is right in front of you, your present situation, what is the circumstance. So your past is hindering your vision, or it is obstructing the way you see your situation, way you perceive your situation. So something new has come up, some new changes are here for you. So you just need to change your perception, Libras. That is what I see. If you change your perception, you are going to see things differently, and you are going to come to a solution very soon in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your specific to your relationship. It is Orphaned. So sometimes in our life, guys, we may feel at loss. We don't know we have a lot of identity crisis. We don't fit in, or we feel really uncertain about our place in this relationship. So with this card, that is the meaning, guys. You may feel left out or lonely. Even though you are in a connection, you may not feel that connection with this other person, that deep commitment or some kind of a support or mutual understanding with this other person. And you may feel really disappointed or hurt when you are with them. Maybe you both are in different stages of personal growth. That may be the reason you feel this way in this connection, guys. Maybe this person is at a different stage of understanding, and you are in a different stage of understanding, and you don't feel fit in or feel some kind of a connection with this other person. So not everyone will understand you, guys. Maybe that is the problem with this person. Maybe they do not understand your values or beliefs or your thought process, maybe, and you don't have that sense of security or sense of belonging with this person. So you need not compromise yourself, you need not try to change yourself, try to adapt to this relationship to have that connection with this person. Try something which is not yours, change yourself. That change may not be you, so that may be something artificial you are trying to do, guys. So you should not compromise to that level to belong. It won't be worth the price. So that is what this card is about, guys. So maybe if you feel that you are not having that natural connection, that attraction or that understanding with this person, you are in love, you just need to stop trying hard, guys. Stop trying hard and understand that the person who will be your best fit will soon find you. So this relationship may not be worth you changing yourself. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is never ending story. So again, something that denotes the past, maybe the past failures that you have faced in your life, in your career situation, that is simply holding you back, and you are thinking again and again the same things, the same circumstances, whatever has unfolded in your life, and you are criticizing yourself, feeling really sad, feeling really low confidence because of that. But you need to understand that each and every one of us, we make mistakes, and we need to move on if we want a positive change in our life, guys. So you need to have compassion on yourself, forgive yourself, and begin with a new story. And by forgiving yourself and telling yourself a different story, this time story of confidence, story of strength. So that is what is going to take you away from all that sadness and past failure, Libras. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for your career situation. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more, if you like this reading, guys, sorry guys, we don't have a pick a card reading coming up. So if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.